Kicking off our list at number 8, the luxurious brute, the 1970 Oldsmobile 442 equipped with the legendary W30 package. Olds combined country club comfort with a massive 455 cubic inch V8, pushing 370 horsepower and a frame-twisting 500 pound-feet of torque. Off the line, it could clock 0 to 60 in 5.7 seconds, but it secures its spot on our list by tearing down the quarter mile in a swift 13.89 seconds. At number 7, the car that actually outsold the Mustang, the 1970 Ford Torino Cobra. When optioned with the 429 Super Cobra Jet V8, this aerodynamic fastback unleashed 370 screaming horsepower right out of the factory. It took 5.8 seconds to handle 0 to 60, but its massive top-end pull hauled this heavy steel body down the quarter mile in just 13.63 seconds.
Number 6 brings us Mopar's ultimate cruiser, the 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. While everyone talks about the Hemi, the smart money went to the 440 six-pack V8. Breathing through 3 two-barrel carburetors, it made 390 horsepower and gave a brutal 0 to 60 time of 5.5 seconds. On the drag strip, it completely held its own, crossing the finish line at 13.62 seconds flat.
Taking the number 5 spot is the ultimate bad boy of GM, the 1970 Pontiac GTO Ram Air 4. Boasting functional hood scoops and the iconic The Judge graphics, its high-breathing 400 cubic inch V8 was rated at 370 horsepower. It clawed its way from 0 to 60 in 5.7 seconds, finishing out the quarter mile in a blistering 13.60 seconds at over 104 miles per hour. Number 4 is the definitive sleeper of the era, the 1970 Buick GS Stage 1. Don't let the luxury exterior fool you. Its 455 big block put out 360 horsepower and an unbelievable 510 pound-feet of torque. That insane torque launched it to 60 miles per hour in 5.5 seconds, pulling a massive gap on its rivals to clock a 13.38 second quarter mile.
Coming in at number 3 is the stripped-down budget drag strip king, the 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Because it was lightweight and bare bones, its legendary 425 horsepower Elephant Hemi V8 hooked up instantly, flashing from 0 to 60 in an incredible 5.1 seconds. Down the track, it roared across the line at 13.34 seconds.
Runner-up is the heavy hitter, the iconic 1970 Chevelle SS 454 LS6. Packing the highest factory horsepower rating of the entire muscle car era at a massive 450 horsepower, this beast took 5.4 seconds to hit 60 miles per hour due to massive wheel spin. But once it caught traction, it flew past the competition with a 13.12 second quarter mile. And at number 1, the undisputed crown jewel of 1970, the Plymouth Hemi Cuda. Sharing the same 425 horsepower Hemi engine as the Roadrunner, the Cuda utilized a shorter, lighter E-body frame and a vibrating shaker hood scoop. It absolutely dominated the streets, rocketing from 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds and conquering the quarter mile in a legendary 13.1 seconds.